I've been in some unusual collecting areas pre-race before, but never in a 1972 fire truck at Santa Pod Raceway. With my competitor, the guy I'm racing against, in the 550 horsepower V8 Super Scania, just about 50 metres ahead of me. And I think he's got 550 horsepower, and I might be lucky if I got 5.5 horsepower. But I can tell you the tension is building in the Champagne fire truck.
Cheated! Can't believe it! We're just set to go and ace it and send Trucker Tim running with his tail between his legs when they declared that apparently the track surface is only suitable for anything with a jet. We may have many things on the Champagne fire truck, like all kinds of quality champagnes, but what we don't have is a jet yet. This has inspired us. Richard, the owner and the creator of the Champagne fire truck, is going to go back to the drawing board. He's going to look for a few more horsepower, and then we're going to come back to Santa Pod and we'll get the job done. Because there's no doubt about it, this has inspired my taste, it's inspired my appetite and my quest to show Trucker Tim who's boss. British Engineering, Super Scania, you look pretty good, but you haven't seen anything yet. Champagne fire truck, Steve Deeks, we're going to be back.